Dear friends, welcome to Joe's Simple Kitchen. Today we are going to cook Indian vegetarian chili, healthy chili using quinoa and red kidney beans. We will start cooking. We have 1.5 cup of red kidney bean and 1 cup of quinoa. We are going to soak quinoa for 5 minutes and we have to soak the red kidney bean overnight. It has to be soft. So we have to pour water and leave it for overnight and it will be soaked well. You will get something like this. The quantity would be doubled almost. And we have 1 cup of chopped onion, 3 medium sized tomatoes chopped, little bit of cilantro chopped. We are going to use 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. This is organic tomato paste we have store bought. And these are the ingredients we need. We have 1 tablespoon of grated garlic, 2 tablespoons of paprika. For color, this is in India you can get it as Kashmiri chili. It doesn't have heat. It gives color and flavor. Half teaspoons of black pepper, but you can add more if you would like. This is chili powder or cayenne pepper powder you can use. This is for the heat. And this is 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of turmeric and 2 teaspoons of cumin. Cumin gives nice flavor for chili. We are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt along with that. So we added water to this. It's going to be soaked for 5 minutes. In the meantime, we will start the process. Set the instant pot in saute mode and add oil for frying onions. You can add 2 teaspoons of oil. Then you can start adding onion. Onion need not be fully fried. Once it's sauteed, you can start adding everything. We are going to pressure cook everything together in the masala. We get the American chili with meat texture because we are adding quinoa. It gives a texture. Onion is sauteed. Now we are adding grated garlic. You can also use garlic powder. We can add tomato, cilantro, everything now. Once tomato is fried for 2 minutes, we will add tomato paste along with that, which gives color. Tomato is fried for 2 minutes. Now we add 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. And cilantro. Let it cook for a minute. Then we will add all the dry ingredients. We added tomato paste. Now we can add the dry ingredients. Paprika, cumin 2 teaspoons, turmeric powder, sugar, red chili powder or cayenne pepper, black pepper. We can add salt 1 teaspoon with this. We added 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we can add the beans. The soaked bean is washed. 1 cup of bean, 1.5 cup of bean and 1 cup of quinoa. So for this we have 1 cup of quinoa, 1.5 cup of bean. We are going to add 3.5 to 4 cups of water. Since the bean is soaked well, 3.5 cup is sufficient. That's it. Now we are going to pressure cook this for 12 minutes and vegetarian quinoa chili would be ready. We are going to pressure cook this. We already got the chili color, nice color. This itself would be a meal because we have quinoa, beans, everything. We are going to pressure cook it. Change the mode to pressure cook for 12 minutes. Vegetarian chili is cooked in instant pot. We waited for 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes, and the pressure is gone. Now we can open. Vegetarian chili, awesome color. It's cooked well. With quinoa we get the texture of chili. Vegetarian chili. We can top it with the onions, chopped onion little bit, cilantro and grated cheddar cheese. You can add other cheeses like mozzarella also. Here you go. Vegetarian quinoa chili. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.